Hi everyone. In this video I'm gonna start with PHP mailer, or how we can send an email using PHP. Actually, there are two ways, or maybe more than two ways, to send an email with PHP, but the simplest way is just using mail class or mail function inside the PHP, built in inside the PHP. But this function or this class is not recommended because, for example, you cannot make encryption, you cannot add attachment, you cannot make authentication, and so on. So for that, the recommended package or the recommended library is using PHP Mailer. PHP Mailer is you need, it's like a library. We need also to download it from the internet, and then you can work it and send the email. In this example, I will give you like a basic example, and if you need to more advanced, you can just try to find it in the documentation, for example, but we will just explain the basic example to how to send email. So for example, I have a website, and from my website I need just to send an email to anyone. So I've already created a project called SMTP, for example, or you can name it whatever, anything. I have created inside htdocs. Then I need to go to the Google, and I need to download the PHP Mailer package. So just write here PHP Mailer from GitHub. Here you can find it at the first one, the GitHub account. And so what we need is just go to the src. I don't need all of it. I can just go to the src, and then I need just those files: exception, PHP Mailer.php, and SMTP.php. I need only those three files, but by the way, we can just download all from here and then just download the zip file. After that, we need just to open the zip file, PHP Mailer, open it, src, and then I need just those three files. So I will copy exception.php, phpmailer.php, smtp.php, just copy. So I will copy it. Now I need to paste it in my project. So inside my project, I will create folder called inc for include, or anything, any name, it's not important. And inside it, I will try to paste. So I will just open in the Explorer, open inc here, and then just paste the files. That's it. Now inside my application I have inc, and here I have those files. Now I finished the first step. Now in the SMTP I need to create another file. For example, I can name it index.php, just to send an email from here. First thing, we need to add just an HTML form to send an email. So here I just quickly create simple form. So here we just have input subject type text, and we have also input email. I will insert the email, and then just text area just to add the message, to write the message here, and submit to send. Now here what we need to do, PHP, and here PHP. First thing, we need just to include those from inc. So here include, I can say from inc I need first thing exception.php. maybe we'll not use all of them, but just we need it now, include. Also I need to use the class PHP Mailer. So here you can say use PHP Mailer. So PHP here. Now I can say here if set, if user press set post, and here I name it send, like submit. So I just name it send here, whatever the name is not a problem. Create a Mailer object, so I can name it Mailer or SMTP Mailer as you like, equal. So here I can say new PHP Mailer. I just create a new object here. So here I cannot say find it, so we need a namespace here from, again, PHP Mailer. Finish. After that I need to add some configuration. This is from the server. So for example, after you deploy your website in the server, you will find all the information about how to connect with SMTP server, because this thing related with the server. So here, since I don't have a server, I'm just working in the local host, so I will use like a fake email or fake SMTP from the internet. So we have mail or mail trap. So you can go to the internet just for testing. So you can do that. So mail trap. In the mail trap, you can just go here, mail trap, and you need just to log in. I've already logged in. So I've already logged in. So you can just click on your account here, and then you can find here demo inbox, or you can create one, for example, but I have demo inbox here. Just go to the demo inbox, and then what you have like Laravel, you have Ruby, anything. But now I need to use just PHP, and I need to use the PHPMailer. So just PHPMailer. As you can see, all the configuration is here. You don't need to do anything. Just copy this. Even the PHPMailer is here. Just copy this, and you need to paste it here. So here name it PHPMailer and all the information. Even if you have a real email, if you after you deployed your project to the hosting, you will find same thing but just different information, and then you can just copy and paste it and use it like this. Now what I need to do, I have all information finished. Now I need just to get the subject and get the email, for example, and message. We already have PHPMailer, so you can just use it here, PHPMailer. So here the subject is capital, subject equal what from here, so post from the form, HTML form, post, and the name subject, right here, subject. Also I need again PHPMailer. I need the body should be the message, so also same thing, just copy this, post MSG, since here I name it the text area, I name it MSG, so MSG. Also if you need the email, it's different. Add address is just a function, so accept email, so add the email. Now finish this code, simple and very basic code. When the user press, I will send the message. So after that, the last thing, I need to use the send method. So I can say here if again PHPMailer send, this the function to send. After I add all the configuration, then I need just to send. If it is send, just say like for example echo, that's it, finish. Now I need to test it. So here I can just go and open it. As you can see here, if any new message will come here to my inbox, to the fake inbox. So I will say here, and here I can say this on the YouTube. That's it. So now send. You can see just loading. Wait. After that, sent successfully. So now if we go here, you can see hello from YouTube and the message sent to me. So of course you can send it to any email. For example, I can write the email and send it to the specific email, but now just for testing, and I just make the very simple and very basic form. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.